Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज का वीडियो है something very great for the festive occasion. So I do a lot of content showcasing some festive fits from Myntra, Amazon, ऐसे websites जो easily accessible है, जो बहुत लोग जानते हैं. But there are a lot of you guys who do not follow me on Instagram, and you probably miss out on some really good brands. मेड इन इंडिया ब्रांड्स मोस्ट ऑफ देम जो बहुत ही प्यारे फेस्टिव फिट्स बनाते हैं. सम यू माइट बी अवेयर जो आज मैं वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी, बट सम यू माइट बी टोटली न्यू टू देम. So during this period I have tried some really beautiful festive fits from some lovely brands. तो आज मैं वीडियो में वही दिखाने वाली हूँ, उनके बारे में बताने वाली हूँ, show you the products and give my reviews on those outfits. तो जो भी मैं ब्रांड्स बताऊंगी, some may have and some may not have a website, but you can reach them on their Instagram DMs. So सारे डिटेल्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डालूंगी, so do check that out. So yeah, it's going to be a very interesting video, and without wasting much time, let's get started. आते हैं to the very first outfit, जो है ये बहुत ही प्यारा ग्रीन अनारकली, फ्लोरल अनारकली. By the way, आज के वीडियो में मैं जो भी दिखा रही हूँ, they all happen to be अनारकली set, something that I love a lot. So this is from the brand Jaipuri Ada, and they have beautiful ethnic wear, daily cotton suit sets हैं, festive wear है. मैंने बहुत पहले इनको try किया था, and even this one is sent to me by the brand, so I'm very lucky to have such a beautiful piece. इसका जो fabric है, it does feel like some sort of silk, but I'm not sure which type because website पे इसका mention नहीं है. But बहुत प्यारा floral print है. It's a beautiful shade of green. एंड चूड़ी स्लीव्स आते हैं, बहुत ही प्यारा अच्छा घेर है. What I love about this is that it is so simple. It has just a very basic detailing on the neckline, and sequin work किया गया है just on the yoke part. तो जो भी floral print है उस पर ना बहुत ही प्यारा delicate detailing है sequins का, and it comes with a dory at the back. इसके साथ आपको trousers भी मिलते हैं, and you get this beautiful dupatta. I absolutely love this dupatta because of the border of the dupatta. It's really pretty, and ये जो पूरा set है, you can see, just looks so elegant and so pretty for the festive occasion. So कोई भी त्योहार के लिए you can use such an outfit, and I think it's a very classic piece because you can reuse it every other year for any other occasion. तो ना कि सिर्फ festive occasions के लिए, but wedding occasions like संगीत, मेहंदी, हल्दी, you can wear something like this because it's so gorgeous. I also have another cotton set from them, which I'll add a picture of right here. You can see that it's a lovely red cotton suit set, and it looks beautiful as well. So अगर आप कुछ ऐसे floral prints and block print, ethnic print के festive wear अगर ढूंढ रहे हो, which is great quality, then Jaipuri Ada is a very lovely brand. You get a variety, and you get some really comfortable, good quality clothing for different occasions. So do have a look at their website. आते हैं to the second fit. Now this is again a label that I discovered through Instagram. It's called Tashi Jaipur, and I have this very pretty pastel pink anarkali set. And it's festive season. I have been obsessed with all these pastel shades. I think they look gorgeous always. And ये बहुत ही सुंदर है. मैंने one of my Instagram content पे इसे पहना था, and there was so many questions asking about this outfit. So it is in organza fabric, and it has these hand painted floral design all over it. It has long sleeves and बहुत प्यारा घेर है. It comes with a pant, and let me show you the dupatta. So ये है इस सेट का दुपट्टा. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Again the same hand painted floral design all over the dupatta. इसका border भी बहुत प्यारा है. Sequins का ये border है. Looks beautiful and so elegant, and you can go so simple with the styling and still look stunning wearing this set. तो त्योहार के लिए बहुत ही प्यारा fresh looking choice है. And I think it's something that you should really check this brand out because I think they have some lovely outfits. And मेरे पास एक और outfit है from them, which I'll add a picture again. That is another pastel blue shade outfit, very fast free two-piece kurta set, and that has to be one of my favorite finds for this festive season because everything about this set is just so elegant, so chic, and so pretty that it's something that I'm so in love with. Have a look at the brand Tashi Jaipur. You can check them on Instagram. Then to the next outfit, which hands down is one of my most favorite festive fits ever. And I have this very gorgeous chicken curry white anarkali set. ये है from the brand called Fitting Room Couture. So this is an Instagram brand and it is a designer boutique brand. And ये बहुत ही प्यारे festive wear, custom wear बनाते हैं and बहुत ही सुंदर outfits बनाते हैं for occasions. And you have अनारकलीज, लहंगास, so many different options that they have. बहुत ही rich दिखते हैं ये सारे outfits. And this again is something that the brand sent to me and I'm so happy with this outfit. एक तो just the look of this is so beautiful, such lovely work, इतनी अच्छी quality. And look at the sleeves, look at the bottom of the anarkali, beautiful. It comes with this padded fitting and it comes with a back like this and इसमें लटकन्स भी आते हैं. So overall the outfit is just beautifully done and जो fit है वो भी बहुत ही सुंदर है. I just love the way it fits on me. And इसके साथ आपको पैंट और दुपट्टा भी मिलता है. Let me show you. So you get a white chudi pant and you get this dupatta with it, which just complements the anarkali so well. It has this print all over and a very simple border on the dupatta, but दोनों का combination बहुत ही perfect लगता है. And it is such a classic piece that you can never go wrong with something like this. आप wedding occasions के लिए, त्योहार के लिए इसे पहन सकते हो. And इस तरह के outfits you can wear any time of the year. You can reuse it multiple times year after year because white anarkali is always a classic piece. And I think this is one of the most beautiful white anarkalis that I have with me. And I highly recommend you to check out this brand called Fitting Room Couture. For all your occasion wear needs. तो अगर आप शादी कर रहे हो जल्दी or you are attending a wedding, you have to check this brand because I think you're going to love their fits and something that you should add in your bridal trousseau as well. Festive occasions के लिए anything in pink is always a must have and ये है from the brand called Lavanya Label. And I'm sure काफ़ी लोग इस brand को जानते हैं already. And this brand has one of the best festive wear occasion wear collection. तो आपको इनके ब्रांड पे मिल जाते हैं अनारकलीज, different kinds of suit sets, लहंगा, sarees, ready to wear sarees, all the variety that you can wish for. And मेरे पास है ये बहुत ही प्यारा set from their latest collection. Again, this is sent to me by the brand. It is an Angrakha pink anarkali with lovely gota patti detailing. Look at this motif on the sleeves and on the back as well. दोनों sleeves पे है and it is a tiered anarkali with gota patti detailing all over. Beautiful flare. I love the flare of this outfit. It's stunning. इसके साथ आपको पैंट मिलते हैं, सिंपल से पिंक पैंट्स मिलते हैं and it is cotton fabric, so super comfortable and बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. Let me show you the dupatta. So this is a dupatta, बहुत ही rich, grand लगता है with again gota patti detailing and this fringe detailing all over. And इसके जो corners है उस पे भी ये paisley motif है and I think it looks beautiful. It gives that very royal Rajasthani vibes when you wear this outfit. So even Diwali के लिए, कोई भी त्योहार के लिए, this is such a beautiful outfit even for wedding occasions because आप statement accessories पहन सकते हो just like I did and it will look perfect for wedding occasions. Or you can just go with simple jhumkas. So many ways of accessorizing it and you will love twirling in this just because of the beautiful flare of this outfit. And yeah, it is a very stunning outfit and उनका जो latest collection है is really very nice for occasion wear. So you can shop this product on their website. I will add the link in the description box. आते हैं to the last outfit for today's video. मेरे पास अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे साथ नहीं है वो outfit because मेरे उसे लॉन्ड्री में दिया है, बट या आई हैव द इंसर्ट्स फॉर यू टू हैव अ लुक एट व्हाट द आउटफिट लुक्स लाइक. It's a beautiful printed cotton suit set from the brand called Leo Gabba. तो अगेन मैंने इन्हें इंस्टाग्राम पे डिस्कवर किया है. दे हैव अ वैरायटी ऑफ सूट सेट्स यू नो which you can wear you know for simple occasions to more grand occasions. And ये जो सूट सेट है परफेक्ट फॉर लाइक पूजाज एंड यू नो स्मॉल फेस्टिविटीज. एंड मुझे इसका प्रिंट भी बहुत पसंद है. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस सेट, वेरी कंफर्टेबल and long sleeve, but I think it's perfect for those small occasions where you don't want your outfit to be too heavy but it has to be festive and comfortable at the same time. तो ये ऐसा एक आउटफिट है जो बहुत ही प्यारा है. And I have two other outfits from them. Again, I've added the pictures on the screen for you to have a look at it. Both of them are absolutely stunning, so you have to check this brand out for some really nice printed cotton suit sets which you are going to love. तो ये थे सारे आउटफिट्स फॉर टुडेज वीडियो फ्रॉम दीज लवली मेड इन इंडिया लेबल्स. आपका फेवरेट आउटफिट कौन सा था मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. And if you want me to do a part 2 of this video, then let me know that as well. I would love to do that. If you want to see like more made in India festive wear or festive accessories, I would love to do something on those lines. So yeah, you know the drill. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.